Okay, sharpen that pencil. Here we go. I'm going to darken that up there. Now, do I have to do this same type of pattern out here? Nope, I'm actually going to do one completely different. I'm going to do that one out there with red. I'm going to trace that with this reddish purple color. So there you go, folks. I've started this out. So now let's do this here. So notice again, I don't have to do the exact, like, I know I did the purple here, but I don't have to do that. I can change this any way I want, as long as it's by a border. Okay, so now I've gone in and I've done the entire outside here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start coloring these in. Again, you don't have to color it in the exact same color you traced it, but sometimes that looks nice. So I've got this entire column done. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill it in. Two things. One, make sure you keep your colored pencil marks going in the same direction. They're tight and neat together. Also, it might look nice sometimes to gradate. You watch the gradation video, so like things go from dark to light, or they might go from one color to the next. So here I go. I'm going to go ahead and get started with this. So there we go. This entire one is done all the way through. You can see I changed gradation in some places. Like I made this blue is a little bit darker and then it gets lighter. And then here I made like the reddish colors darker in the center and then lighter. You can have the same, like I went orange, 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 orange on the inside, but the outside changed and the other colors were changing enough that I can still have the same color in places. So this one is done. It's finished. I'm going to do this next one here. So you guys, I'll turn this off for a little bit. You guys don't have to watch all of that. But then I'm going to show you what to do on the inside. Okay? Hey guys, Mr. Das. I'm here to talk to you about pencils. I know you're probably thinking, oh my god, pencils. He's really talking to us about pencils. You guys mistreat my pencils. So I just want to put this little thing in there. When you guys are using my colored pencils, couple things. One, you don't have to press hard all the time. Sometimes it needs to be nice and dark, but if you're pressing hard all the time, guess what? You're gonna be sharpening your pencil every 5 minutes. Second, if the pencil sharpener doesn't work, let me know and I'll see if I can fix it. Don't just not do anything. Third thing, you know when you take a colored pencil and you keep trying to sharpen it and the lead just keeps falling out and you can't figure out why? Well, the reason why is because people will take this and they'll go over and they'll throw them into the bin instead of placing them in the bin. And you don't know it, but what you've done is inside of here, all this lead that goes all the way in there as you sharpen it, you've cracked it. So don't throw the colored pencils. Place them in the bin when you're done. Now my last thing. I go through more colored pencils because people drop them on the floor and never pick them up. Please pick these up if they fall on the ground. I would really, really appreciate it. Make sure you put them all away. Make sure that you have as many pencils as you take, or you put away as many as you take out. Lastly, you don't need 20 of these in front of you. There's other people who need to use colored pencils. Take only the ones that you need, like 3 or 4 of them, and then put the rest back. All right? Good luck. Before I go into the inside, I just figured I'd show you guys a little bit more of what I'm doing here. Again, you're repeating a pattern all the way throughout. and it's got to, again, it doesn't have to be the same ones that I'm doing. It can be lines, it can be zigzags, it can be whatever you want it to be. Just as long as the pattern repeats all the way through the two lines that you're making.